This is the newly rehabbed Plaza Libertad. The rehabilitation of this historic plaza costs 19.7 million, which is funded under the 2019 Local Government Support Fund Assistance to the City of Iloilo. Phase 1 of the project covers 4,000 square meters of the plaza. The scope of works includes the construction of the drainage system, assembly area fronting the Iloilo City Hall, 4 pathways converging to the Rizal Monument, and the installation of the plaza lighting system and plaza signages. It was formerly called Plaza Alfonso XII. It is where Governor General Diego de los Ríos surrendered to the Filipino revolutionary troops of General Martin Delgado on Christmas Day of 1898, thus ending the 333-year-old Spanish colonization of the Philippines. For the first time, the triumphant revolutionaries raised the flag of the First Philippine Republic on Iloilo City, the last bastion of Spanish power in the country. This is the steam locomotive number 888. It was built by the American Locomotive Company, ALCO. On November 17, 2003, the National Historical Institute declared Plaza Libertad as a National Historical Landmark. Plaza Libertad is downtown Iloilo's plaza. It used to be the center of activity of the whole city of Iloilo during its heyday. The place where the Ilonggos of the past leisurely spent their afternoon in the entertainment of live bands. Within the plaza is a monument of Dr. José P. Rizal, which was inaugurated on December 30, 1917.